Kasi biglang bumibitaw yung sports cam eh.
Hindi natalon eh, no?
Pasyato yung yata. Oo nga. Okay, game. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa ating second game for tonight. Ito po ngayon, battle for the placing na po tayo ngayon between Tiptoe Kicks versus Janas Gourmet. Janas Gourmet. Ba't ang init pa? Dati may hindi naman init dito. Malamig dito. Okay, It's not MVP. Okay, Janas Gourmet clad in green. Green po yan. Versus, of course, all black and yellow po tayo. Yan po ang Tiptoe Kicks. Idol, Chief, idol. Okay, balik muli po tayo. First five tayo po tayo ng first five. Ayan na si Patikin, Aaron, si Acuña, Lorena, at sino pa ang pinakuli? Panglima, sino panglima nila? Kabila naman, of course, si Dongdong, Natividad, RD2, at si Branoy. Okay, RD1 versus RD2 combination po tayo yun. Parang... Okay. Let's go! Jumble po tayo yun, ha? Jumble tayo yun. De La Cruz. Pops up. Nope, it's Patikin. Patikin pops up and Bear Iron De La Cruz. No good. Rebound by Mr. Natividad. Binaba ang bola. Natividad. Binababa ang bola. Wala pinasahan. Si Pusong Leon. Patikin, binababa ang bola. Patikin, Lorena, Patikin again. Patikin for 3. Nope. Aaron De La Cruz pops up. 2 points, Aaron De La Cruz. Aaron De La Cruz, 2 points. The power forward ball, legit power forward. Oh, good ball. RG2, binababa ang bola. To Brian for 3. Malakas. Rebound battle 1 by RG1. Against Pusong Leon. Lorena pops up. 2 points. Mac Lorena 2 points. The score is 4-0 already. Domdom, Branoy, step back, Nobis Domdom, nice one! Wala. De La Cruz. Patikin, oy! Pops up, Acuña, no good. Rebound by Natividad. Binababa bola Natividad. 6 seconds away. Natividad, 2 points Natividad. Natividad, 2 points, 2-4 po tayo. Tiptoe Kicks and, of course, leading it behind over Mr. Janas Gourmet. Pops up, RD1, no good. Binato. Nice steal by RD1. RD1 versus RD2. RD1 2 points. For all po. Nope. Lorena 2 points. Lorena rebounded. Oy! Traveling cold. De La Cruz called for traveling at 7 minutes 24 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Brian Oy taking 3, ayaw. Kick pass kay Natividad, 2 points. 2 points Natividad, 4-6 ang score po natin yun. It's 4-6. RD1 for 3. Wala. Pusing nyo, Pinato. Banoy. All six, all six. 6 minutes 46 remaining. Loremia. Nope. Batigin. Batigin. No good. Don't go. Rojas. RD2. Dum-dum. Trying over 3. Ayaw. Pops up. Bang! Okay, don't look now. Change favor po tayo. Tiptoe kicks, rest lead over Janice Gourmet. Janice Gourmet pops up, no good. Hey! ID2 pa 3. Malakas. Batigin for the rebound. Batigin, batigin, batigin. Aaron De La Cruz 2 points. Boss, dito boss. Again, pops up, batigin. Oh, no good. Rebound, RD2. Tum-tum. Natividad, natividad. Wala. Dom. Power move. Dom, natividad. RD2, pops up for 3. Bang! Well, 8 points score po natin. Laman na po ng 4 ang team Tiptoe Kicks. Standby po tayo po sa second lineup po ng both teams. Rojas, nakribang, 2 on nothing run. Brinoy, 2 points, Brinoy. Palit clear po tayo. Okay, palit player tayo. Good quality minutes po for both teams. Ngayon, second lineup po tayo. Nandiyan for sure. Papasok yan si Big Mac and Company. Sa kabila naman si Velasco and Company. Big Mac and Company versus Velasco and Company. Of course, kasama po ni Mr. Big Mac po si Sam Palasakala. Si Ulit, nandiyan na rin pala. Kalaban na po si Nakalisin, Hans Cañedo, Fajardo, and Company po. Ito na. Kick pass to Hans. Velasco, side step move. No good. Rebound by number 21. Wala pa rin. Nice deep. Ulip na. Pinasa muna kay Palasakala to Big Mac. And to Ulep again. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Sam Palasakala, short step. No good. Hop. Hindi pwede yun. Violation yun. Number 9, binisbet, binomba, wala. Sam Palasakala, kick pass ulit. Kaya ko ni Hans Cañedo ang bola. Hans Cañedo, binapa ang bola. 8-14 na score po na Hans. Offensive foul called on Hans. The score is 8-14. Official score po tayo. Laman po ng 6 ang Tiptoe Kicks. Sam Palasakala, binababa ang bola. Sam, Lapus, Ulit, Sam Palasakala, si Bangador, bumabisod. Hop! Tira! It's now Hans Cañedo. Hans, 2 points, Hans. Banging bodies with the wall. Ulit again, 8-14, 14 po score po natin, 10-14. Back, Big Mac to Sam Palasakala. Kime, 2 points, Kime. 16-10, 3 minutes remaining. First quarter about to close. Fajardo, Kalisin driving strong. What a slice by Kalisin. Sampa na sa kala. From Makatunggal, Big Mac, binababa ang bola. Mubos si Big Mac. Big Mac, Lapos for 2. Nope, ayaw. Velasco, binababa mo lang Velasco. Velasco, Kalizin, palpal, Fernando, pasok. Nice one by Kalizin. 14-16 na score po ngayon. Rally na, bimposive na by Oryx. Kime, pasok ang bola. 18-14, Kime, pasok. Pahado, pop, foul down. Foul on Ulit. Hans Cañedo. Pajardo. Kalisin. Pajardo. Oy! Traveling call. Traveling call on Pajardo. Makatunggal, pinasakit para sa kalang bola. Sam para sa kala. Sam para sa kala. Sam para Ulit. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Foul. Pajardo. Called for a foul again. Lapos. Pops up. Bang! Okay, don't look now. Slowly but surely, tiptoe kicks pulling away against Janas Gourmet. Velasco against Kime. Double team. Velasco 2 points. Velasco against Kime. Check ko, para sa kala Sam. Sam para sa kala. Uli bigay for 3. Bang! Back-to-back field goals by 3 points po ni J. Ulit. Kalisin. Double team. May Ulit. Pardo. Malakas ang pasa. Sayang. Okay, timeout by tiptoe kicks. The score right now is 16-24. Lamang po ang tiptoe kicks po ng 8. First quarter action is about to drawn to a close. Magbabalik kumili po ang PSBG Basketball League. La 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 Back to ball game ulit po tayo. 24-16 score po natin. Okay, balik ulit po sa tiptoe kicks. Ang bubulo na ako. Tiptoe kicks ang bola. Big Mac for the inbound. Big Mac. Sam para sa kala against Kalisin. Bula kalusot. Sinunta pa rin ni Kalisin. Kalisin against Sam para sa kala. Matinding depensa, ginagawa nito. Nakuha ng pick, Sam para sa kala. Para sa kala, palpal! Block party, may block party. It's a block party made by Mr. Velasco, the blocking machine. Makatuga, Lapos. Kime. Rebound by Velasco. Velasco. Walang pinasahan si Velasco. 38 seconds remaining. First quarter action is about to close. Sampar sa kala. Uy! Nawala and 2 points. Easy basket by Kalisin. 18-24. Again. Ulip against Pajardo. Ulip. Uy! Walang pinasahan. Hans Cañedo. Kick pass to Kalisin again. 2 points Kalisin. Kalisin 2 points. 9 seconds remaining. Lost the ball. Okay, time out. Ingat ka po sa ingat. Ha? Oh, yun ako agad. Tapos yung video. O, paano, Scott? Ingat, ingat ka. Scott. Okay, 2024 first quarter is a drawn to a close. Ma'am, ingat po yung dalawa dyan. Sa gitna na lang po kayo po, umupo. Thank you. Okay, 2024 po, first quarter, drawn to a close already. What a first quarter matchup. Kitang-kita po natin po dyan. Kime versus Velasco. Kalisim versus Sampara Sakala. At iba pa mga matchup dito sa lalong ito. Second quarter, start right now. Nandiyan si Baluesa. Nandiyan din si Greg. Of course, nandiyan din si Batikin, Aaron and company. Sama na po natin dyan, of course, Greg de la Cruz for the inbound. Si Pesarillo nandiyan din po para sa kabilang. Si General Ramos, RD2. Si Umali, si number 14 at si Mr. Perez, si Adrian Perez. Pusa, eto na. Umali, tingin 3, ayaw. Umali! 2 points, Umali 2 points. 20-26. 9 minutes 38 remaining. Baluesa, tingin 3, ayaw. Patikin for 3. Hoy, nilabas. Perez, naka-rebound. Perez, now, RD1. RD2 rather, RD2. Perez to RD2. Umali naman, Umali. Stole the ball. Swipe. Foul. Perez, timeout. Janas gamit yun. Di ata nagbugustuhan ni Mr. Sino yung coach mo? Umutang ko na. Okay, but before that po, sige, hanap boy muna po tayo. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League down on its second year. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po yan. Another po yung sponsor po natin. Of course, ito po ayan. And last but not the least, ito po mga sponsor po natin. And back to the ball game, muli po tayo. Okay, Greg de la Cruz shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready for Greg de la Cruz. Greg de la Cruz, second throw po, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Mr. Greg de la Cruz. Pops up, pasok. Basket made, 21-26. 8 minutes 59 remaining. Pira, driving strong. Stop. RD2 against Batikin. RD2 versus Batikin. Pira naman, pops up, foul! Cylinder violation, or should we say landing spot. Pira shooting for 2. The score is 26-21. Laman po na 5 ang Tito Kicks. Pira pops up, out. Pira, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pira, second throw, jumpers ready, pops up. No good, rebound by Greg. Patigin. Oy! Down. Aaron de la Cruz, pinapakita sino power forward dito ngayon. And of course, Patigin for the inbound. Out. Same ball. Nice couple. Nice stop. Nice stop by team Tito Kicks. 8 minutes and 7 remaining. 21 points score po natin yon. Pesarillo. Double team. Greg De La Cruz. 2 points ticket. Traveling cold on Pira. When I see Greg De La Cruz, I remember Kevin McHale. Sa totoo lang. Greg De La Cruz. Pira. Pesarillo for 3. Nope. Rebound. Again. Nakuha. Nice. Nice save by Pesarillo. Don't look now. 26-22 po score po natin yun. Okay na referee. Oh! Umari for 3. Nope. Rebound, Pesarillo. Pinasa. Okay, patigin. Wala. Umali against Espeluesa. Umali. Foul. Pesarillo called for a foul. Mainit. Giannis Gomez, 4-14 fouls, 1 for penalty. Umali, first shot. Pasok. Umali, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Welcome po sa second game for tonight. Basketball po tayo. 23-28. Pops up. No, palakas. Oy! Black ball. Okay. Perez, binababa ang bola. Pira. Pops up. No. Rebound. Umali called for a foul. One in front also. Team TikTok kicks. One also for penalty. Pesarillo floater shot. 2 points. Pira. Binabang bola. Nice steal by Pira. Kaya na ba yung Pesarillo. Malakas. One more time. Steal away. Palpal. Baliwesa. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Lost the ball. And one play. What a heated exchange for both team. Both team ayaw umalagwang isa't isa. Greg De La Cruz. Aaron De La Cruz rather. Chance now to tie the ball game. Pops up. It's in. Tabla na naman tayo. 28. Ha? Okay. Wishes ko pa. 27-28. Sorry. Ay, pambira yun. Ang bagal. Hoy! Perez 2 points. 5 minutes 41 remaining. 28-13 score po natin yun. Nope. Ow! Pesarillo. Greg De La Cruz. Pow! Greg De La Cruz now again on the line. Penalty to both teams. Greg De La Cruz shooting for 2. Second personal foul ni Mr. Perez. First shot ni Greg. Pops up. Out. Second throw ni Papa Greg. Second throw ni Mr. Greg de la Cruz. Second free throw. Greg de la Cruz pops up. It's in. 29-30. Hey! Foul on Batikin. Called by the referee. 29-30 ang score po natin. Umali shooting for two. Umali pops up. Pasok. Umali second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay. Out of bounds. Balik ulit si Janice kung may bola. Coach Gino, Coach Cesar also up in their feet already. Ginag-close running shot, 2 points. 31 all. Both teams ayaw magpalagwa sa isa't isa. Duran. Out of bounds. Green ball. Change court po tayo. Biggie, take care ha, Biggie. Azari also take care ha. Azari, nice game today ha. Okay. Okay, change player po tayo. This time, Makatunggal and Company along with Mr. Rojas, Pusong Leon. And of course, si Brian Oy, Ulep, Natividad. Kabila pa si Janice Bulan po. Yan, si Fajardo, Kalisin, si number 1 RD1, si Lorenia at si Mr. Velasco. 31 all po tayo, 5 minutes remaining. Pops up. Ayaw, ayun, walang pinasahan. Second quarter. Brian Oy. Dom. No, malakas. Green ball. Malakas ang badong ni Dongdom. Metroman Dongdom, malakas. Fajardo, nakalusot. Foul! Sabi ni Red Brands, huli ka doon, boy. Penalty situation, team Tiptoe Kicks. Fajardo shooting for two. Fajardo per shot, wala. Fajardo second throw, pops up. Wala pa rin. Rojas, ginagawa bola. Rojas. Makatunggal, Big Mac. Nice D by RD1. 31 all pa rin po tayo. RD1 against Rojas. RD1 to Fajardo against Rojas. RD1 thinking 3. Wala. Rebound by Kalisin. Kalisin thinking 3. Nope. It's driving. It's slicing. And it's popping to Fajardo. Nako naman yun. Okay, ano muna? Janice going now. Lamang na po ng dalawa muli. Guano for 3. No. Velasco. Naka-rebound. Loremia. Duran number 1. RD1. Kalisin. Pops up. Kalisin, 3 points. 36-31. Naman po na 5 muli po ang Janice Gomez. Ito naman, Rojas. Big Mac. Dom. To Brian Oy. No, it's Dom. Dom. To Big Mac. Driving strong. Nope. Dom. Wala pa rin. Rojas. Nope. Pardo, naku bola. Pardo, binaba ang bola. Pardo, Fajardo. 2 points Pardo. Rojas for 3. Bang! Captain Lionheart, 6-3. Kalisin for 3. Nope. Rebound, Velasco. RD1 against Brian Uy. Pops up. Wala. Lorena. 2 points. Sana. Oh. Big Mac. Nice deep by Big Mac.
10 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot.
RD1 pops up for 3. Bang! Dirty 4-4-2-1. Lamang na naman ng ito. Ang team Gianna's Gourmet. Dumdum pops up. Wala. Another one. Dumdum. Foul on Velasco. Nagagawa pa ba kayo man ng ano? Ng esimada? Kasi yung cheesecake, gumagawa pa ba kayo? Dumdum. Dumdum. First shot. Pasok. Metroman Dumdum sinks the first free throw. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Dumdum. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 41-35. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay. 36. Obeyed at 35 remaining. RD1 against Brian Uy. RD1. RD1. Wow! Wow! Same ball. Pampihirang tira yan. Vintage set yun na gano'n. Woo! Vintage Jolens. Rojas. Rojas for 3 again. Offline. Rebound battle 1 by Lorena. Hinabol. Kalisin. 2 points. Brian Ross again. Rojas. Pusong Leon. Intercepted. Intercepted again. Natividad. Malakas. Big Mac. Pakatugan. Sutubol. Okay, the score is 45-36. Fajardo, technical foul. Technical foul on Fajardo. Hindi pwede daw ganun gesture na ganun. Wala pa tayong VAR. Pakatunggal, first shot, no good. Brian Uy for the second free throw. Pasok. Okay, Big Mac makatunggal. Big Mac yet to score a point, ha? Wala pa punto si Big Mac. Okay, Big Mac, last throw. Tinira niya yung una. Last throw, Mr. Makatunggal, si Big Mac. Big Mac for the final three, for the last free throw. Pops up. It's in. 38-45. Daman po ng 7. Kalisin, against Brian Uy. Kalisin, nakalusot. Kalisin. Lorena, against Makatunggal. Velasco pops up. 2 points. Big Mac. Rojas. Captain Lionheart. Big Mac for 3. Bang! Slowly but surely bumamin. Nabubuhay na naman muli po ang TikTok Kicks. Nice D by Dumdum. Loremia nakalusot. Loremia palpal pero may foul. Okay, Loremia, number 26, shooting for 2. 9 seconds remaining, second quarter action. This is for the placing match between TikTok Kicks and, of course, ang Gianna's Gourmet. Loremia, second throw. Pops up, pasok. 9 seconds remaining, kick pass. Natividad, palpal! Again, palpal! Sayang. Okay, after 2 quarters, laman po ng 8 ang Gianna's Gourmet, 49-41. Before that, tayo po maghanap buhay muna po tayo. Baka magalit ang ating mga sponsors. Ito po ang, of course, PSBQ Basketball League now second season. We would like to thank the funding sponsors, McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo. Nandiyan po dyan sa Basketball League, Blackwood by Shanty, Gianna's Commentio, Winax Apparel. Nandiyan din po ang Hookup Apparel. Nandiyan din po ang HB Cakes, JPX TV. Of course, si Mr. Kisu Dukwe, si Nagdizo Media, at last but not least po, si I1 Nation. And of course, anunsyo rin po tayo, dagdag anunsyo. Ito po yung from Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made at the delight of Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. Kid-friendly po kami at vegan options are available. Ito po aming number 4307-307-98889. Ito po ang aming pagkain po from Tuk Tuk Saigon. Okay, balik ulit po tayo later po sa ating ball game. Ayan po ang Gianna's Nation, dumadaan po. Ito ba? Sorry. Pero, sorry. Kala ko Gianna's Nation. Para mag-sister team, hindi ko tutusin din yan. Gianna's at Tito. Okay, halftime po tayo, 49-41. Both teams ayaw po magpaalagwa sa isa't isa. Kung mapapatin po natin. And we'll be back po sa ating pong palatuntunan. Napakaramang Tagalog after these messages.
to the victory for the third quarter. Jonas Ball.
Okay, may nagpapashoutout po dito. Sabi ni Eves de la Cruz, hello, Kuya Greg. Sabi naman from Tutok Saigon po, thank you for your name mention, Tutok Saigon. Shoutout po. Walang anuman po, sir. At si Gracia de la Cruz, shoutout from Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. Yan. Bro, good. Nice, Red de la Cruz. Ano naman? Hop! Nope. Paligyan, for the rebound. Okay, green ball. Green ball. The score is 52-41. Laman po ng siyam ang Team Janas. Uy! No. 2 points. Again, batiin for 2. Lamang na po ng tabing tatlo po ang Team Janas. Over Tutok Saigon. Ay, over Team Tipo Kicks. Lapos, uy! Same ball. Nasabi ng referee, same ball daw po, same ball. Patikin. Rebound. Umali. Nagmamadali sumali. Umali. Wala. Patikin. Take 2. Okay, foul on ulit. Pasarillo, shooting for 2, number 26. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumper sarili po tayo. Umali Pedro shot. No. What a tip in by Lapus. $43-54, laman ang 11 ang Team Chance Gomel. Over Tutok Kicks. Pesarillo. Pardo, batiin rather. Kick pass, walang pinasahan. Batikin. Against ang para sa kalang. Pesarillo, kapos. El umali. 2 points umali. Batikin. Nice D Bettini. Lapus. Wala. Ayan naman siya. Aaron De La Cruz. Palpal. Greg De La Cruz. Wala rin. Rebound by Kime. Two points. O'Malley 2 points. 54-47. 47-54 po tayo yun. At 7-point lead na lang po ang kalamangan po ng Giannis Gourmet. Foul! Umapir si Ere. Foul. Unique yun. Okay, substitution now. Number 9 in. Velasco in. Labas muna si Aaron. Labas muna si Acuna at si Aaron De La Cruz. First shot, Batikin, pasok. Second throw ni Batikin, jumpers ready po tayo. Batikin, second throw, jumpers ready, pops up. Wala. Lapos, naka-rebound. Sam para sa kala, number 5. Binababa ang bola. O'Malley, lumusot. Malakas nga lang, sayang. Batikin. 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 Binaba mo na, Greg De La Cruz. Pasok ang bola. Ulit. Makatukal for 3. Nope. Good Mac. Google. Nice one! 2 points. Lapos 2 points. An 8-point lead yung posted by team Giannis Gourmet. Batikin. Foul! Take 2. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? 23 goals for the foul. Big Mac called for the foul. Greg De La Cruz shooting for 2. Score po natin 57-49 at 4 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. De La Cruz pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. An 8-point lead double posted. A 9-point lead will be posted. Okay. Stepping on the line for Sam Palasakala. Sam Kalisin, binaba ang bola. Kalisin. Pops up. There! 49-61. Big Mac. 10 na naman ang kalamangan ng Giannis Gourmet. Oy! Miscommunication. Whew! Okay, balik muli po tayo. Jaymar makatunggal po ulit. Pinababa ang bola. Ulit. Rojas. Velasco, no good. Alisin. Patikin. Tengmedo, no, intercepted. Down. Yeah, grabe. Hans, can you call for a foul? Ulit. Rojas. 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 Ulit. Bang. 8. Alisin again. Velasco in line. No good. Intercepted. Tito kicks, 1 minute 58 remaining. Rojas. Rojas! Foul! Slight rally na been posted by Tito Kicks. The score is 58-61. Lamang pa rin po ng 8 ang Giannis Gourmet. Chance now to trim the lead down to 6 points. Care of Mr. Lojas. Or as we say, Captain Lionheart, Pusong Leon. First shot ni Rojas, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. Just to trim the lead down to 7 points. Okay, green ball. Hans Canedo, binababa ang bola. Hans against up, up, down. Kalisin. Kalisin. Nice block. One more time. Up, up, up. Sana. Mainit yung battery. Nakatayin eh. Full charge siya. Full charge. Full charge. Pwede na yan. Now is pwede na. Okay, good evening po. Pasensya na po. Talaga sinaputol po yung yung isang camera po namin kasi nagsara na. Nagsara na yung bangko ng camera. Kaya balik ulit po tayo po sa ating final quarter. Natapos po yung lead. 66-58. 8-point lead na lang po ang lamang. Tama. Sorry. 8-point lead na po ang lamang na po ng Giannis Gourmet over Tito Kicks. Now si Perez now for the inbound. Inbound na ni Perez. Kay Pusong Leon. Pusong Leon, binababa ang bola. Pusong Leon, 68-58 ang lang score po natin yun. Oy! Pusong Leon, pops up. No good. One more time. Pusong Leon naman. Bang! Aling na po kalamangan ng team ng Giannis Gourmet over Tito Kicks. 9 minutes 40 remaining. Patikin, Kalisin again. Batikin, Batikin! 3 points! Balik ulit siya muli po bola po ng ng kalamangan po. Now, Perez. Brian Uy against Fajardo, pops up at 3 points! Pasensya na po ha, mga boss ha. Comment na po dyan po. Naputo po yung ating live stream po kanina. Dahil ano po yung bobel talaga, bumigay na. Pasensya na lang po. Hoy! Back to the ball game. Foul. Natividad call for a foul. Kalisin, setting up the pace. Kalisin against Perez. Kalisin na kusot. Nawala bola. Pusong Leon. Natividad 2 points. And 1 play pa. Ingat lang boss, ingat lang. Natividad, shooting for bonus free throw. The score right now 69-65. Don't look now. It's a 4-point lead na lang po ang kalamangan po ng Giannis Gourmet. Nice game po para kay Mr. Samar. Papasok muna si Aaron De La Cruz para sa ating mga pangbanggayan. Kaya na si Demolition Man De La Cruz. Natividad, pinasok na si Demolition Man. Ayan na si Aaron, the Demolition Man De La Cruz. Batikin against Brian Uy. Batikin, nakalusot, 2 points. Hoy! Mali pinasahan. Kalisin, touch pass, Kalisin. 2 points. Rojas. Again. Rojas for 3. No. Rebound battle won by Patikin. Oh, foul on Brian Uy.
There's a ball.
Brian Uy called for a foul. Okay, RD1, palabas muna, papasok muna para kay Mr. Kalisin. Quality minutes kay Mr. Kalisin. Eto na, Macroremia, binababa ang bola. Nice one, nice D. Ramos, Brian Uy pops up, nope, it's Ramos, nope. RD1, Loremia again, thinking 3, no. Nice shot, almost by Loremia. And also, tip to the line muli po ngayon si Aaron Demolition Man De La Cruz. Ang taga-demolish ng depensa ng kalaban, si Aaron Demolition Man De La Cruz. De La Cruz pops up. Nope. Second throw jumper siya rin po tayo. The score is 73-66. Laman pa rin po ng siyam. Pito ang Giannis Gourmet. Okay, basket made. 74-66. Laman po ng 8 muli po ang Giannis Gourmet. Rojas, pinapaba ang bola. Rojas, Brian Uy. Bang! Okay, 6 na naman. Anim na naman ang kalamangan na lang ng Giannis Gourmet. 6 na lang. Batikin, foul! Technical foul called. Masakit yan.
What's ball? 24 versus Canada.
Natividad called for a foul.
Technical foul, Brian Uy.
Technical foul para kay Brian Uy.
Substitution.
Kung kailan sila naghahabol, ito pa nangyari sa kanila. What a bad break para po sa team Tiptoe Kicks. Okay, RD1 shooting for the to Benedict. RD1 shooting for the bonus free throw. Pasensya na po kanina po, naputol po yung ating live broadcast po kanina ha. Kaya ito po, part 2 na po ito ng ating broadcast po.
Substitution.
Please take note po na matay yung broadcast po natin at exactly a minute and 30 remaining sa third quarter action. You're watching right now the fourth quarter action at 6 minutes 57 remaining. 74-68 po score po natin para sa larong ito. Batikin. Batikin. Against Ulep. Batikin na ako ng pick. Batikin. 2 points. Batikin. Cold as ice. Batikin. Back na. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac makatunggal. No good. Rebound. Dum-dum. Foul. Big Mac. Dum-dum. The Metro Man. Shooting for 2.
Versus number 6.
Dum-dum. The Metro Man. Shooting for 2. Velasco. Called for a foul. Number 30. Dum-dum. Shooting for 2. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Kaya po sa Dum-Dum. Pops up. It's out. Ayan na. Good ball. Okay, says Green. Green talaga. Sabi nila, green. Green ball, green ball. 7-6-8. Tama po ng 8. Hoy! Dapatid, dapatid.
Versus number 8.
Ulep, go for a foul. Batikin shooting for 2. Penalty situation, team Tiptoe Kicks. Batikin, first shot. Out. Batikin, second throw. Batikin, second free throw. In. Basket in. Ingat boss, ingat boss. Baka mateknical ka. Dum-dum. Dum-dum. Shake and take. Dum-dum. Bukas, dum-dum. Ratawak, rap play. Malakas. Meron nilang loose. 5 minutes 50 remaining. Hoy! Nice stop from behind from Rojas. Nice one, nice D. Batikin. 40 minutes by Batikin also. Eto na. RD1, Batikin again, against Ulep. Ulep, Batikin. Batikin. Pops up. Bang! Sumabay ka pa, sabi niya. And time out, called on Tiptoe Kicks. Bigpit, magaling. May sagot kagad sila. Sino siya? Then, like I said, Webtoon, no, kinakailangan mag-meeting sila ngayon. Uminginit na. Emotions are already starting to flare up already. Okay, let's go right now. 79-16. Lamang muli po na labing-isa muli po ang Team Giannas Gourmet. Salamat po sa efforts po nila Patikin at Kalisin. Ika po yung backcourt po ng Team Giannas. Nag-rally na po ang TikTok Kicks pero nasagot po pa ng Giannas ang kanilang rally. Okay, 2 second. The score is 79-68. Leading po ang Giannas. Bola po ng Team TikTok Kicks. Rojas, binababang bola. Rojas, driving strong. Rojas, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound! Foul! What a rebound by Mr. Metroman Dumdum. Lorena called for a foul. Big Mac for the rebound. Time out po ang Giannas Gourmet. Coach Dino doesn't want it. Doesn't like what's happening right now. They have to regroup again at 5 minutes 19 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Before that, tayo muna muna po tayo. Okay, from Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant, one of our sponsors, take the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to delight the Tuk Tuk Second Restaurant. We also offer kids-friendly meals and vegan options are available. For reservations, just call the number 307-9888-9 for reservations. Balik muli po tayo. Ito na naman tayo. Ayun na. Big Mac. Guarnoy. Nope. It's Rojas. Captain Lionheart. Rojas. Pusong Leon. Against Fajardo. Nakapick. Nice pick. Malakas. Dongdong. Sayang. Ang ganda niyo sana. Ayun. Uy! Rebound, makatunggal. Rojas. Dongdong. Thinking 3. Pops number 3. No good. May correction to. Maganda rin ito. Shoutout po from King Atienza. Shoutout Boss Freds Montes. UFB, sorry. Ayun, Doremia! Hoop shot, no good. Ulit. Ulit na naman, ulit. Mac, Big Mac, grabbing strong. Palpal, semi foul.
This number 26, The Rebels second first foul.
Okay, Makatunggal, Big Mac, number 23, shooting for 2. First shot, no good. Second shot, Big Mac. Big Mac, second throw, jumper ready. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Dongdong. Rojas, Pusong Leon, fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. Kaya na naman, Dongdong. Green ball. Okay, sabon na po. Dongdong, quality minutes also by Dongdong, the Metroman. Lahat ng rebounds, pinipinasan niya. Okay, sino to? Fajardo, Palpal. Traveling violation, dumikit. Traveling violation ng Renzo Fajardo, dumikit po ang kanyang ang kamay doon, kabit-kabit sa doon. Big Mac. Okay, Velasco papasok na para kay De La Cruz. Quality minutes kay De La Cruz. Velasco, the Black Party Master. The Black Master. Sam para sa kala for 3. Nope. Rebound battle, one guy. Wow! Again, Big Mac called for the foul. Penalty situation. Penalty situation, team tiptoe kicks. Loremia shooting for 2, pops up. It's out. Second shot, Loremia. Jumpers ready po tayo. Back Loremia, second throw. Pasok. It's patok. 68-80. 12-point lead. Again, been posted by Janice Gramey. Sam. Ulit again. Ulit for 3. Malakas. Big Mac. Lost the ball. Big Mac shadowing already. Again. Kalisin. Lost the ball. Lost the ball again. Sayang. Sabi nila sayang. Batigin for 3. Nope. Rebound. Isang para sa ala. Stolen away by Fajardo. Kalisin. Pak. Para sa kala, Sam called for the foul. 2 minutes 51 remaining. Okay, Kalisin, pinalabas muna. Nope, Ivan, di pala. Okay, batiin, second throw, first shot. Yes, sir. Shoutout din po sa Qatar Filipino Basketball from Jean Media Decano. Shoutout po sa din po, sir. Binabati ko po ang mga kikalitawan po ng Qatar Filipino Basketball or QFB from Jean Media Decano. Lost the ball. Loremia, 26 called for a foul. Penalty situation din also po ang Janice Gramey at 2 minutes 29 remaining. Big Mac, first shot. It's in. Big Mac, second throw. Yes, King Atienza called shot po. King Atienza from QFP, sabi nga. Second shot, makatunggal, wala. Ayun, one more time, makatunggal, 2 points. The score is 82-71. Labing isa pa rin po kalamangan po ng team. Okay, sign of friends mga QFB soon. Another league is about to be born. Wow! Again, Loremia on the line. 2 minutes 19 remaining. Dom called for a foul. Okay, 2 minutes 19 remaining. 80-71. First shot, Loremia, pasok. Okay, sinasabi French Montes, QFB soon with a flexing muscle. Ayan. Second shot, pops up. It's in also. Both basket made. 13 po kalamangan. Barnoy. Umali to Barnoy again. Barnoy is Loremia. Walang pick. Barnoy for 3. No good. Velasco naka-rebound. 2 minutes remaining. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 84-71. A minute 55 remaining. Malakas. Tapos umali. Kinakailangan maka-score dito. Umali. No good. Pinalas na. A minute and 38 remaining. Homer Balbin, shout out po dyan, sabi ni King Atienza. Pops up, Loremia, pasok. Mac Loremia, pasok. Pops up. No good. A minute and 15 remaining. Kalisin. Sampar sa kala, minamit yung bola. Umali, 2 points. 86-73, 55 remaining. Okay. I think the looks of it now, Giannis Gomez is looking up on to pick another win. Okay, patikin, nakalusot po. Patikin. Patikin, patikin. Kalisin. Pops up. Nope. Kalisin again. Loremia. No good. Umali. Umali, 2 points. 26 seconds remaining. Foul. Lapus called for the foul at 24 seconds remaining. Sayang. Para sa kanila, pero we'll see. Okay. Fajardo, first shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Fajardo, second throw, pops up. It's out. Guarnoy. Nope. Okay, that's it. Congratulations, another win to be picked up already by Team Giannis Gomez. Before that, before we end, a word from a sponsor, of course, una po, Tipto Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant, taste of Viet Thailand, Vietnamese, and Burmese cuisine, a solid street food classic. Street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami at vegan options available. Open po kami daily po at call this number for internet to try our cuisine po at 307-9888 and 9. Maraming salamat po, Tuk Tuk Saigon. And of course, second po is sige, that's it po, muli po. Next week po again, basketball action po tayo sa Facebook Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat. Thank you very much.